Hello again, everybody. It's Harry Box of the Technical Trader, TechTrader.com. It's Monday, May the 8th. To the chart for the day. A mixed session on Wall Street. The Nasdaq did pretty well today. A lot of stocks we followed had a pretty decent day. And let's take a look at a few of AFRM for the second day in a row of pop. Now, after testing support around 9.25, actually around 9, the stock has popped to over 12 today, finishing 11.85. That was up 114 or 10.6%. Volume was a hefty 20.7 million. Looks like it might be coming up to close above the declining top line and moving averages, and now may be on its way to trying the 14-15 zone short term. AXSM broke out of a flag today after breaking its multi-month declining channel. It then popped and formed a little, let's call it a little mini coil or wedge, mini wedge. Anyway, popped out today and jumped up to test resistance, reaching as high as 82.85 before settling back 4 points. Still up 431 or 5.8%. We can get to that level. We're looking at 92 and 105. Carvana with a big pop and an engulfing bullish bar, finishing at 11.13. It's up 217 and 24%. 52 million share traded. To me, it's something that may be triggering an important move. The close is above the entire multiple week range and mini base, and also right after getting up to the declining top line, backed off from there but held up pretty well. Going forward, your targets are 13 and 17. EQNR, the oil sector improving a little bit with price of oil moving up. EQNR may have bottomed it here, but today it popped a small amount. It got up to resistance. You can see that the reason I'm highlighting it is if it gets above, it's 30.25 range, 33 and 35 are your targets. IBRX, look at this move. 8 days in a row, taking it from about 228 all the way up to 6 and change, 661, nearly a triple. And it's extended and it's near resistance, but I want to show you how strong this has been of late. Look for a pullback setup. The next target at 8. IMGN swing after a pop. We're going to swing out, boy, really strong here. Should this get above 14, 16 and 18 and a half for targets. INOD, well, looking really good there when it surged in January and trended all year. Finally breaking down a couple weeks ago. Note that support in this range did hold, and then it snapped right back. Today's pop of $1.95 with 32%, on the biggest volume we've seen all year. This is a thinly traded stock. Could mean that it's going to try to take out 9.25 and move up to 11.5, the next swing target beyond that. IONQ, big inverse head and shoulders or V bottom. But anyway, a 1, 2, 3, 4 wave run that's occurred. Looks to me like the falling channel was taken out today, or wedge. Wave 5 may have started, targeting 7.25 and 8.5 3/4. LI in the Chinese automotive electric vehicle section is done well. It's forming a nice base pattern because along with a nice rising trend. You can see that 32 is the target once he gets above 29. Nnox, beautiful swing, and it's worked great. More than doubled just in a week as we gave it to you on the breakaway and the pullback. Note 8.5 to 17.88 today. A little bit short term overbought. Your next target is 19.5 to 21, but your pullback supports around 13 3/4 to 14. OPRA, an incredible rising channel for like 6-7 months now, has taken it from 4 to a high of 12.90 today, finishing 12.57 up, 138 at 12%. The next target is 13 3/4. SE popped out of his wedge today, jumped 6 points or almost 8%. My targets now are 89 and 99. Scholz in the solar sector with a good earnings report popped after hours and is now above 22.25, up about 330, looking like it wants to challenge the 23.5, 24 zone. If you get through that, looking at 27.28. Shopify 2 days in a row after breaking out is now 3 days, up another 4% today. Top of the channel target 71 all the way 78. SIX, strong earnings report, falling wedge, big pop and breakout, 8.3 million, up 19%. And take out of all the moving averages and lateral price resistance. Next target, 30. Thread up, popped out of its falling wedge today with a top of 44 cents or 16%, and now is maybe headed to the channel top of 3.5, followed by 5. TERN, one of my top 20 picks for the year, and you can see it continues to push. Today's action may have broken it out of a little bit of a flag in here, or pennant. Anyway, my next target is 15 and 18. Trvn started the day on a record volume of 112 million shares, 114, sorry. It went vertical from literally from 60 cents to 370, six-fold increase in one day on that kind of volume. With a pullback, but a hold for the most part, around 2.5 range. Your next targets are 4 and 5. And finally, WBX popped up to declining top line, some good volume. Keep an eye on this one for a breakout and run up to 4 and then 5. And lastly, Zscaler spiked 20% today on 15 million shares. That's the biggest volume we've seen in about almost 8 or 9 months anyway. I need to get this up through here. This is your next target, 118, followed by the gap at 125. Let's look at some of the hot stocks at thetechtrader.com. Good night, everybody.